Chromex Tankless Flush Kit. Extend heater life fast. Introducing the Chromex Tankless Water Heater Flush Kit, a complete 6-piece solution designed to maintain and extend the lifespan of your tankless water heater. Comprehensive kit. This set includes a 5-gallon bucket with lid, a 1/6 HP extra strength pump, 2 PVC-coated hoses, a certified citric acid-based descaling solution, and an elevated pump grate. Everything you need for a professional-grade flush in one package. Compatibility. Works seamlessly with most major brands, including Rinnai, Bosch, Noritz, Rheem, Takagi, Navien, Ecosmart, Stiebel, Eccotemp, Atmor, Trutankless, Marey Power, and more. Safe and effective cleaning. The solvent-free formula removes scale deposits, improving efficiency and extending heater life. It's non-corrosive and safe for potable water systems as well as PVC, rubber, and ABS materials. Quick and easy operation. With 6-foot hoses that connect directly to heater valves, most units can be cleaned in 30 minutes or less. The top-load design makes rinsing simple with no tools required. Peace of mind. Backed by a 1-year warranty and hassle-free returns, Chromex ensures customer satisfaction and reliable performance. Final verdict. The Chromex Tankless Water Heater Flush Kit delivers professional-level maintenance in a DIY-friendly package, helping you keep your system running efficiently for years to come. Check the product link in the description and pinned comment for current pricing and availability.